the batteries have like sometimes indicators while it's charged or not. And these ones have indicators you can put, and you can see the lights, 3 on, it's charged fully.
В тому числі стружка, ну так. Ви подивились.
Yeah, same, different rims.
Ви не притискаєте його до ніякої поверхні, ви візуально не...
Break that way with it.
Вигуляйте з боку, так. Вигуляли, переставили, знову ж таки вперли.
The same when you put the blade in, you always put it with the right in towards you. And you make sure it's perfectly aligned in there, not like that.
$138. We will take 140.
The frames, they were blown up, they were, even these sometimes, they don't exist. You have just this. Usually you put they will have that fixed for months on their windows, because the Windows companies here, they already booked for like 5-6 months, because that's how many windows they were broken.